Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Bank of America to the Rocket Money app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to start budgeting and keeping track of your finances on the Rocket Money app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So first, let's hop onto the Rocket Money app. Now, once you're on this page here, you want to click on the gear icon on the upper left-hand corner. Next, you want to go ahead and click on Linked Accounts, and then click on Add Institution. Now, this is where you're going to see a list of banks that you can connect to the Rocket Money app. Go ahead and click on Bank of America, and then it's going to redirect you to a service called Plaid that's going to connect Bank of America to Rocket Money. It connects it in seconds and it also keeps your data safe. But simply just follow the on-screen prompts here and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect Bank of America with Plaid. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.